Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
In this video, I will show how to make chicken Greek salad. First, let's get our chicken ready. Marinate 2 boneless, skinless chicken breasts in a mixture of olive oil, lemon juice, oregano, and garlic for at least 30 minutes. Then, grill or pan-sear them until they reach an internal temperature of 165 degrees Fahrenheit. Allow the chicken to rest for 5 minutes before slicing it into bite-sized strips. This ensures juicy, flavorful chicken for your salad. Now, let's build the vibrant salad base. In a large bowl, combine 6 cups of crisp romaine lettuce, 1 cup of sliced cucumbers, and 1 cup of halved cherry tomatoes. Next, add 1/2 cup of Kalamata olives, 1/4 cup of thinly sliced red onion, and 1/2 cup of crumbled feta cheese. For the dressing, whisk together 1/4 cup of extra virgin olive oil, 2 tablespoons of red wine vinegar, and the juice of 1/2 lemon. Season with salt and freshly ground black pepper. With our chicken and salad components ready, it's time to bring it all together. Arrange the perfectly cooked and sliced chicken strips over the colorful salad base. Now, take your freshly prepared Greek dressing and drizzle it generously over the entire salad. Gently toss all the ingredients together to ensure every bite is coated with that delicious, tangy dressing. This step is key for a harmonious blend of flavors and textures in every forkful. Your delicious homemade chicken Greek salad is now complete and ready to be enjoyed. Serve it immediately to savor the crispness of the vegetables and the warmth of the chicken. For an extra touch, you can garnish with some fresh parsley or a sprinkle of additional feta cheese. This salad is perfect for a light lunch or a satisfying dinner. Remember to check the description below for a link to those fantastic leak-proof containers and other great deals to help with your meal prep.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.